is likely to be finalized in the next 24 hours. Now, negotiations are underway in Washington, and India's trade team has extended its stay in Washington last week to iron out key differences as the two sides they are looking to clinch a mini deal before the 9th of July deadline, when the pause on the US tariffs is set to be lifted. Now, India stands firm on agri-red lines as US backs down on core demands. And experts call it a major diplomatic win for India amid global tax trade tensions. So both sides looking for clinching an interim trade deal as the 9th of July deadline is approaching fast, and an interim trade deal between India and the United States is likely to be finalized in the next 24 hours. The negotiations are underway in Washington at the moment, and we remember that India's trade team, which is in Washington right now. They are looking to to iron out key differences, and they have extended their stay in Washington. Remember, the deal is likely in the next 24 hours, and the 9th of July deadline is the key date that everyone is looking at, because this is when the pause on the US tariffs is set to be lifted. Remember, both sides earlier dug in their heels over a lot of issues. Washington is demanding that India opens its market to genetically modified crops, as well as agricultural market and dairy sectors also. And India wants more tariff concessions on its especially labor-intensive exports like footwear, garments, which are basically the major job creators for India. And these were key differences due to which the negotiators are continuing their talks, and the Indian team there, the trade team in Washington, has extended its stay. And after those negotiations continuing, we understand that a trade deal between US and India is likely in the next 24 hours. And viewers, we have more breaking news.